guys how to make a door wedge. I made this for one of my doors because it stays, like every time I open it, it closes. So I just made this for this real quick. And I figured since I made one, I'll show you guys how to make one. And then this one here is just for down here in the shop. But if you want to make one that you're going to leave in your house and you want to like stain it or something, I'm going to be doing that to my other one. So it'll look a little bit nicer. But this one here, I just threw together real quick. It's going to stay in the shop. No one's going to see it. So let's get into it. So I drew my line right here. I'm just going to cut along that line. I'm going to be using a handsaw because that's all I have down here. This is a piece of scrap wood I found, and it was already cut at that angle. So all I have to do is cut it right here with the handsaw. But if you guys needed to cut it, just cut it at an angle and cut out your wedge. So it's a little bit better now. So now I'm going to carve it just a little bit more in the corners, grind down the corners so they're more like rounded. And I like that burn look it gives it. And I'm going to do some dark stain on it. Then I'll sand it, make it look nice. And then let's just get to it. Alright, so now I'm just going to do a bunch of sanding. It's coming out a lot better. I'm going to try to maybe straighten this out a little bit so it's more at an angle like this one, but whatever. So I'm just going to do some sanding now, and let's get into it. Alright, so it looks pretty good. Got everything nice and smooth. The only thing I don't like is like that, but I guess it gives it character. So I'm going to go put some dark stain on it. Alright, so now I'm going to start putting the stain on it. So I'm just got a napkin right here. Just going to dip it in. You don't need too much. And then just like paint it on. Want to try not to get it on your hands, because then it's hard to get it off. It's not too hard to do. Like that. And then after, you just let it dry, get your other side, you can put poly on it, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to do this, let it dry, and I'll get back to you. Alright, so I got the whole thing. It's still a little wet. I'm going to let it dry. I'm not sure if I'm going to put poly on it or not. I'll see how it looks when it dries, and I'll get to you guys then. Alright, so this is done. I'm just going to leave it how it is. I think it looks pretty cool. Probably needs to dry for another maybe half hour, but it's not too wet. Probably just leave it like this. I'm happy with how it came out. So yeah, if you guys like this, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time.